Okay, here's the setup. I'm behind the church on the hill where we parked by the back door. So just across from there is where they're setting up for the carnival. Here's some tents. Pastor Herb is down there to the right of the, I guess, the outdoor toilets. So I guess everything's going to be in this back field back here. There's some more tents down here. And some more bathrooms down that opposite end. You can see there. So it looks like it'll be convenient to get to. I think it'll be a great time, except for the heat. Okay, that's good. It's grass instead of dirt. I was thinking about a ball field where it would be dirty and dusty, but this will be perfect. That's Pastor Herb's truck. So they're setting up they're covering the construction fence with the red, white, and blue banners. That's what they're doing down there. Okay. Zoom out. Zoom out. There we go. Difficult to see my screen because the sun is shining on it. So, here we go. Enjoy watching. Bye. As many as you can in 1 minute. I've got my wonderful hat on because it's sunny, and Ate Loretta is here.
Hello!
So there's lots of games here. My friend John is here. Lots of inflatables, games. We're gonna have fun. We are hosting this game for 1 hour, and we will show you more.